You have reached the NYPD Legal Bureau's Document Production Unit. The office is open from 8:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. weekdays and is closed on all public holidays. If you are a member of the general public and are calling for instructions on how to make a request for records under the Freedom of Information Law, please press 1 now. If you are an attorney or litigant seeking to obtain records for litigation, please press 2 now. If you are a retired employee seeking subpoenas for NYPD records in matters pending in New York State courts must be so ordered by a judge upon motion or notice to the NYPD pursuant to New York CPLR Section 2307 and 3120 subsection 4 and should be served on the New York City Police Department Subpoena Litigation Unit, Room 110-C, 1 Police Plaza, New York, 10038. Service is only accepted during normal business hours. Records sought must be described with particularity in the subpoena, which should also specify the time and place for the production of the records. The description of the record should include any known information such as type of report, identifying number of report, date of report, precinct of report, and location of occurrence described in the report. If the request is for arrest records, include the arrest number, full name, date of birth, NYPD number of the person arrested, date, and precinct of arrest. Attorneys serving federal district court subpoenas regarding civil cases should adhere to the procedures set forth in Rule 45 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. Attorneys serving federal district court subpoenas regarding criminal cases should adhere to the procedures set forth in Rule 17 of the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure. Please note that if you are serving a police officer or other police department employee with a subpoena that requires an appearance for testimony at a court proceeding or at a deposition, you must serve the officer or employee at the NYPD command to which they are presently assigned. Please note that this office does not accept service of process by facsimile or email. All checks or money orders must be made payable to the New York City Police Department. If you would like to speak to a staff member, please press 8 now or call 212-693-2640.
How you doing? I'm calling to set up an appointment to come in.
The contact foil, I'm going to transfer you to the main number. When you hear that recording,
Hold on. I was told to contact you guys at this number, the 646 number. Y'all have it displayed on the window in front of the
It's one phone number, but the button prompts is different.
So you telling me I can't schedule no? I've been calling, bro. I've been calling this number for like forever. I mean, so many times, and I wasn't able to even get to talk to nobody. But now I finally do. I call the 646 number. This same number right here, 646-610-5296. And I'm.
When you hear the recording, will you press 1 and 7?
No, I just press 8, and I got to you to speak to her.
That's what you have to do to get some foil.
Just 1 and 7.
Yeah, I was going to transfer you to the main number. When you hear the recording, you press 1 and 7. That gives you foil.
Okay, all right, but check it though. Like even when I did call this number before, it wasn't giving me that option. You see what I'm saying? And it's not.
I'm just telling you what to do now.
I'm just saying, like, I didn't post that on the notice. It just said call this number to set up an appointment. That's all it said on the poster.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm giving you instructions now.
All right.
And then you just call that and press 1 and 7. That gives you foil, all right?
You say you was gonna transfer me?
Yeah, you want me to transfer you to it?
Please.
I got you. One second. NYPD Legal Bureau's Document Production Unit. The office is open from 8:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. weekdays and is closed on all public holidays. If you are a member of the general public and are calling for instructions on how to make a request for records under the Freedom of Information Law, please press 1 now. You have reached the NYPD Legal Bureau's Document Production Unit. The office is open from 8:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. weekdays and is closed on all public holidays. If you are a member of the general public and are calling for instructions on how to make a request for records under the Freedom of Information Law, please press 1 now. If you are an attorney or litigant seeking to obtain records for litigation, please press 2 now.
Fuck.
If you're a retired employee seeking records relating to your employment,
just press 717 twice.
Morning, Legal Bureau Foil. How can I help you?
How you doing? I'm calling to schedule an appointment to come in and make a FOIS request.
What kind of reports are you looking for?
No, I want to come in and submit my FOIS request.
What's a FOIL's request? Because we're the FOIL unit.
I understand that. A FOIS request is a Freedom of Information Act. I'm asking for access to the records, so I want to come in and walk in, and I want to schedule an appointment to do that.
We don't do that.
What do you mean you don't do that? You posted the sign on the front in whatchamacallit, stating that you guys to call this number to schedule an appointment for walk-in. I literally just got a... Yeah, I know I'm correct.
We need to know what exactly you're looking for so we can
I said I wanted to make a FOIS request. That's exactly what I'm coming in to do.
A FOIL's request?
Yes.
We need to know the report number so we can pull it for you. We don't let you
There's
have
no
access
report
to
number, ma'am. I'm trying to make a FOIS request. There's no report number. I'm just asking for...
What is it that you're looking for?
Oh my gosh, miss, that doesn't concern you right now. I'm trying to schedule an appointment. That only when I get in the office, miss. That's the whole point of me walking in. Is to come in the office.
It doesn't work like that, sir.
What do you mean? Why am I being harassed? All right, so who am I speaking with, miss? Miss, who am I? Who are you? Who are you? What's your name?
I'm Esposito. I work in the FOIL unit.
How you say your name?
Esposito.
Okay. I'm asking.
I need to know what it is that you're looking for.
I told you what I'm trying to do, miss. I'm trying to follow the instructions so I can come in and do my FOIS request. That's it.
What is it that you're looking for?
Miss, I'm trying to do a FOIS request. I just told you. Like, that's what the point of me calling this number, to schedule an appointment for FOIS request. That's it. And I will come in and give my FOIS request in person. I will give my FOIS request in person. That's it, miss. I'm not, you're not screening me. Why are you screening me over the phone? Why are you discriminating and trying to angle into my business? Because you're angling in my business. You're not doing that with nobody else.
Are you looking for an aided report? Are you looking for an accident report?
Ma'am, I'm looking, no report. I'm looking for access to the record. That's it.
Records to who? For yourself?
For officers. Actually, obviously, it ain't me.
That's what you look. I don't know, sir. That's why I'm trying to find out what you need so we can direct you.
I just told you. For an appointment. I'm calling you for an appointment.
But for what?
I just told you, miss. Well, department is a different question. That's a different question. So now, if you're asking me what department, FOIS department, miss. FOIS department. I'm trying to... What the... Yo. Why are you harassing me while I'm trying to make an appointment?
I'm trying to direct you.
What do you call this? This is harassment while I'm trying to make an appointment.
What you need.
I just told you what I need. I need to make a schedule an appointment, miss. That's what the sign says. That's what my purpose of showing up there, 2 months ago and trying to schedule an appointment. Now, I finally get through to somebody, and this is what I have to go through. Because you guys are constantly discriminating against people. And I'm trying to make a FOIS request, and you're not allowing me to walk in, and you're not allowing me to schedule an appointment.
Don't let anybody walk in. I'm not going to walk into your house.
Miss, this is not your house. This is a place of business open to the public. And you're getting it too mixed up.
My appointment.
Yeah, I'm making an appointment to come in and make up my FOIS request. That's what I'm saying. I'm following I'm following what I'm supposed to do. Right now, you're infringing on my privacy, my rights to privacy. It's none of your business what my FOIS request is, miss. I'm actually asking to make an appointment so I can come in and submit my FOIS request so I can get the process started. But you're standing in the way by asking me useless questions. It has nothing to do with that. I just asked, can I come in and make an appointment so I can come in and make my FOIS request? But you're trying to make me upset, harassing me in the process of doing that. And that's not fair to me.
You know you can also put a request in online.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to do that. All right? I did that already. I tried that. It didn't work. So that's why I'm asking you to schedule a FOIS request for a walk-in. I mean, a walk-in appointment for a walk-in. FOIS request. That's it. I can't do it.
We need report numbers.
There's no report number, miss. There's no report number. It's body cam footage. What you need to know that for? Why you need to know that? Why you need to know that?
Because we have to pull the cameras.
Okay, so what? So what? That doesn't mean I'm making it over the phone, man. Walk-in appointment doesn't mean I'm making a FOIA request over the phone. I'm trying to schedule a walk-in appointment for a walk-in.
Unless we have a report number.
You don't know. That's not true, miss. Can I speak to your supervisor, please?
Unfortunately, they're not here. I can let you speak to somebody else, and they can explain.
I would like to speak to your supervisor. No, because that's what you're doing. You're circulating discrimination. You're trying to get somebody else to play like their supervisor. I'm not asking for somebody else. I'm asking for your supervisor. Because what you're doing is you're interfering with my complaint process. Can I speak to your supervisor?
There is no supervisor here today.
All right, you're being recorded, miss. I'm posting this on my YouTube.
That's okay. Everything.
No, it's not okay. It's not okay. That's why I have to go and take these measures. I asked you to speak to your supervisor. I asked you to make an appointment. You won't allow me to do either.
Record numbers of what you're looking for.
Yeah, but you're not. There's no record number for body cam footage. What are you asking me? What are you asking me that for?
Do you think we just keep a drawer of body cam
like, why are you so incompetent? Why they put you on the phone to deal with the public? You're sitting there asking me dumb questions. That has nothing to do with what I'm appointment.
I can't make an appointment for you because we don't know what you're looking for. So
miss, I just told you body cam footage. And I want to make an appointment so I can make my FOIA request for that.
Can't do it. I need the report numbers. We don't keep it here. It has to be pulled.
I made FOIA requests in your office before. I walked in before.
No,
okay?
you didn't.
Yes, I did. You don't even know me. You don't even know my name. You don't even see me in your system. You didn't check your system. So why are you sitting here talking about? You never came here before. What are you talking about? You can't tell me where I've been. You know what I experienced in my life? You don't know what I experienced and where I've been.
I'm not asking about your life.
C107, that's your room. C107. That's the room number that you're in. C107. 107. That's your room number. That's your working room.
No, but thank you for trying. Have a great day and a holiday.
All right. This clown hangs up the phone on me.